Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long and Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to 11134 Philadelphia Road in White Marsh, Maryland. Wow, you need to see how large this home is, with over 4,700 square feet of living space. The updated Gourmet Kitchen features granite countertops, a new backsplash, skylight, newer appliances, and custom cabinets with pull-out shelves. The eat-in area opens to a formal dining room and living room with vaulted ceiling. The main floor owner's suite has an updated full bath and walk-in closet. 2 more bedrooms and a full bath round off the main level. The second floor, which is over the massive garage, has a very large family room with hardwood floors, kitchenette, and custom bathroom. The second floor owner's bedroom has French doors, hardwood floors, 2 walk-in closets, plenty of room. The lower level includes a full bath, family room, an office, a den, and another room that is currently being used as a 5th bedroom. The way oversized 4+ car garage is heated and air conditioned with 1,800 square feet for your toys and or workshop space. Outside, you'll find a very large, freshly painted deck overlooking the backyard with hot tub, and it's surrounded by a vinyl privacy fence. Just bring your bags, as this is a turnkey home.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.